Let's see the question number 139. The efficiency of an ideal heat engine working between the freezing point and boiling point of water is option 1 26.8%, option 2 20%, option 3 12.5%, option 4 6.25%. Let's see the solution. The efficiency of an ideal heat engine is, formula is 1 minus boiling point, and boiling point of water is 0 degree Celsius, but if we'll convert with 0 degree to Kelvin, then it will be 273. 1 minus freezing point of water divided by boiling point of water. Boiling point of water is 100. So if we'll convert this in Kelvin, so it will be 100 plus 273, that is 373. So let's solve this. And this whole will be divided by 100 because we have to find the percentage. Divide by, multiply by 100. So after solving this, we will get 100 by 373 into 100, which will be 26.8%. So our answer is number 1. Let's see this is the correct answer or not in the next slide. Yeah, it is the answer. It is the correct answer. 26.8%